died in your arms tonight. It must have been something you said. I just died in your arms tonight. Whoa, whoa. And so on. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. This obviously is the beginning to a classic song from Cutting Crew called I Just Died in Your Arms Tonight. Now, I've done a couple of lessons on this song already, a sort of a simplified version, campfire version if you like, and a slightly more involved one. But I've always just gone straight into the song basically. I've never tried to play anything that simulated the iconic keyboard intro to the song, so I've just spent a little bit of time and worked out something which is hopefully similar for a single acoustic. Okay, there's also, if there's two of you, there is this other bit as well. Just going to so you could, two guitars could play over this. Okay, so I'll show you both bits. Okay, so the chords I'm playing, it's all downstrokes. It's like a piano vamp, dub 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 dub. So it starts on a B minor. Okay, so I'm borrowing the same key as the original record. Okay, top three strings on the 7th fret, first finger, and then the 9th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string, with your 3rd finger and pinky there, the A string and the D string. Okay, and it's just basically downstrokes, that sort of thing. Okay, so that's the first chord. Second chord is an E sus4, or a version of. Okay, again another bar with your first finger, 9th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, and I'm using my 3rd finger to play the 10th fret of the 2nd string. So all I'm interested in is the 4th string, 3rd string and 2nd string. Okay, so now you've got, and it's 3 times, and then 3 on this one, and then you do a very single one on an E minor chord played like that. You could play it like that if you wanted to. I'm playing it like that. Okay, so it's 7th fret at the top E, 8th fret of the 2nd, and then 9th fret of the 4th and 3rd strings. Again, 4 downwards. I'm not playing anything else. Okay, so you've got, alright, that's a da 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 da, just a single one on that. Okay, so it's, yeah. Then we go back to that B minor for a single one. Okay, so now you've got, right, so let's try and get that clean E minor. Okay, so there's a single one on that B minor. Then we play this A sus2 sort of shape. It's basically like an A bar chord without the bar. So I'm playing, my 2nd finger is playing the 6th fret of the 3rd, and my 3rd finger and pinky are playing the 7th fret of the 5th and the 4th. It's like an E, it's like an E shape if you like, but played with different fingers. I'll put here 6th and 7th fret. I'm playing 5 downwards. Okay, and what we do with this is like, so you've got, so it's like da da da, three strokes on that one, A sus2, and then add the first finger to the 5th fret of the 2nd string to make it like an A chord, A major, and 3 strokes on that. So you go from that one to that one. Okay, so once again slowly. Okay, then we go to an F sharp minor. Same shape as the B minor that we started the song off with, but on the 2nd fret, bar in the top 3 strings, first, 2nd fret with your 1st finger. And then these 2 fingers, 3rd and pinky, go to the 4th fret of the 5th string, the A string and the D string. Okay, and so it goes, now we, right, so it goes. Let's try and get that cleaner. And just before you go back and play that whole thing again, try and hit that 4th fret of the 5th string. Try and highlight that. So it's okay, so you got and then we go back and do the whole thing again. Okay, so it starts off with 2 of those, right, the whole thing twice, and then the singing comes in over the top when you do it twice more with singing. Okay, so the whole thing slowly from the beginning. So here we go. Oh, I just died in your arms tonight. Must have been something you said. I just died in your arms tonight. Oh, oh, oh. And we go to a B minor, like that. Single one will do. B minor bar chord, or a simpler version like that. 2nd on the top E, 3rd on the 2nd, and then the 4th fret of the 4th string and 3rd string with 3rd finger and pinky. Okay, 4 downwards. Just do, if you're doing that, or the full bar chord if you like the full bar chord. Pause, and there you go. That's 4th fret on the 3rd string, 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 5th fret of the top E. Pause, and then you do it again, and you go up to the 7th fret on the top E, slide down to the 2nd fret top E. Okay, so we'll do the whole thing again. Okay, so from the beginning. Singing, oh, I just died in your arms tonight. It must have been something I said. But to die in your arms tonight. Oh, 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 oh. And off into the song, okay? Now, whilst that's going on the first 2, if you've got somebody with you, or you can obviously record that to a looper and then add this bit on the top, okay? Okay, so what am I doing there? On the very first one, it does that. So bottom E string, 2nd fret, and then to the 2nd fret on the 5th string, the A string. Then you go up to the 4th fret on the 5th string, and then the 5th fret on the 5th string. So, then 2nd on the 4th, then back to the 5th on the 4th, 5th fret, 5th fret of the 5th string. So, then and that to 5th fret on the 5th, 2nd on the 4th, 5th fret string, right? End up on that 2nd on the 5th, open 5th, and then it starts the whole lot again. And then does that, sorry. And we go from open A, then back to the 2nd on the 5th, up to the 4th, up to the 5th, back to the 4th, back to the 2nd, open, and then you repeat the whole thing. Okay, so and that's that. Okay, so there we have it, boys and girls. Hopefully that made sense to you. It's just a quick update to some lessons I've already done, really. Nice intro though, I think. There is an option, you can either play it like I did, I've shown you, like, or you could palm mute it. It's quite nice if you palm mute it as well. Just a little package of the hand here, resting very, very lightly somewhere near the bridge, so you get a slightly thicker, muffled sort of. So try again. Sort of thing, just a slightly different sound to it, but personal choice. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.